Good morning, children. Lecture 3. And first two lecture we discussed about Harsa's reign, Xuanzang, the life of people. Now we discussed about Xuanzang. Xuanzang, the Chinese traveler Xuanzang visited India during Har's reign and studied Buddhism at Nalanda for 5 years. Means in Harsa's court he spent 5 years and he studied Buddhism in Nalanda. Now you see Xuanzang stayed in India for 15 years and visited different places. He has described the social, political and religious conditions of that time. In 645 Common Era, he returned to China via Central Asia and took with him many books, relics and statues of Lord Buddha. Books, religious book, Lord Buddha's religious book, relics and statues. During his stay, he attended the 6th Buddhist religious congregation at Prayag. In Prayag, he Buddhist six numbers Buddhist religious congregation he attended. Now you see what wrote by Xuanzang about Harsa and Buddhism. There were 100 Buddhist monks in Har's kingdom. People lived a simple, pious, and peaceful life based on living by rules of good, moral conduct and justice. Cheating and breach of promise were considered sinful. Means cheating and breach, breach, it is sinful. Means pap. Okay. Now Harsa's reign over and means Kanauj. Two big states. First state Kanauj over. Now second state Vatapi. When King Hars was ruling over his empire in North India of Kanauj, in Kanauj, whether South India, King Pulkesi II was ruling in South India. He had earlier defeated Hars and see route to the throne. The kings of the Chalukya Solanki dynasty established a vast empire in South India, which they ruled from their capital at Vatapi, Badami, Karnataka. Pulkesi I, a great king of the Chalukya dynasty, performed the Aswamedh Yagna. His flag had the symbol of Vara Avatar. His son Kirtivarma ascended the throne after him. He was succeeded by his brother Manglesh, who built the grand Vishnu temple at Vatapi. After him, the righteous Pulkesi II became king and ruled over the empire for about 30 years. Means Pulkesi I, his brother, his son Kirtivarma, his brother Manglesh, and then Pulkesi II. He is very powerful king. Now you see about Pulkesi II. Is born 610 to 440, 642 Common Era, means at least 32 years reign. Pulkesi was a valiant king who won many battles. Valiant means successful in everything. His first victory was over Lat, South Gujarat, followed by his win over Gurjar, North Gujarat. He gained control over the Vangi religion that lay between the rivers Krishna and Godavari and also acquired Andhra Pradesh. He transformed the capital Vatapi into a city of magnificence and splendor. The armies of Harshvardhan and Pulkesi II fought a great battle near river Narmada in which the former was defeated. Means Harshvardhan defeated. This halted Harsa's expansion towards South India and so the empire of Kanauj could not extend beyond Narmada. Means Narmada, till Narmada, South Harsa's kingdom spread and then stopped by Pulkesi II. Pulkesi II was not only a great warrior but also a lover of arts. The cave of Vatapi and Dharapuri were built during his reign. You see, this is Ajanta caves. There, Patapi and Dharapuri, there's also caves are there. The famous cave murals of Ajanta were also painted at that time. In his travels, Xuanzang visited the courts of Pulkesi too and has given a vivid account of its grandeur. The kings of the Chalukya dynasty were followers of Hinduism. During this time, Buddhism went into decline while the Digambar Jain sect gained popularity. Means kings in Chalukya dynasty's kings, followers of Hinduism, not Buddhism. So in Digambar, there are some Digambar sect are gained popularity because of Buddhism. Harshvardhan and Pulkesi too were contemporary rulers. However, Harsh fought fewer battles as compared to Pulkesi, who continued waging wars. He finally made his end in 642 Common Era in a conflict with the Pallav king Kanchipuram. King Harshvardhan died 5 years after him. Means first Pallav king, Kanchipuram's king defeated Pulkesi, and then after his death, Harshvardhan died after 5 years after him. Now exercise we done in word file. Okay, thank you.